Alright, we just compiled everything here, as you can see. Monday, 11/21/21 at 1:24. Just want to give you guys a quick update, show you what things look like now with the icons and theme updated. There's still more updating that has to be done. I want to make some changes to the background. Maybe try to get the site formatted in a better way so that it runs on mobile devices naturally. Got to do some calculations first with that, and we shall see. But just want to show you this real quick here. Dashboard, and there we go. You got Defy up here, Defy here, everything green. Need some updates in here. I'm probably gonna make a change to this right here. See, it's blurry. See if I can stick an SVG in there, make that look a little nicer. Probably just use an individual icon. We'll see. I'll play around with some things, but I just wanted to show everyone where everything is at as of the moment. And there we go. You know, I'm hoping maybe I can cut these down a little bit here in size and make it more mobile friendly. But we'll see. I'll do some experimentation. That. And as I was saying in the last video here, everything's working fine. There we go. 88 miles an hour. But yeah, as I was saying in the last video, with the contract that's running here, the YDI contract is mine. It's live, and it is, or I shouldn't say mine, I should say Defy's, and it's running on Ethereum mainnet, and I'll show you right here what I'm talking about. You can get to the store. There we go. And there it is, ready to go. So, you know, you guys feel free to check this contract out. This is Defy's contract, and it's ready to go. You can start accepting deposits today. But I need to check a few more things, and that's what we'll do. I've got to make sure this is done right. Take care, guys.